Hello everyone. Hope you are fine. Are you interested to create on your own music without any instruments? If yes, definitely you can create your own music by using artificial intelligence. So it's a bit over artificial intelligence application. You can create on your own music. It's a royalty-free music. This can be used for YouTube creation or e-content preparation or any other video making. Now let's see how to create this royalty-free music for your e-content preparation. Now let's go. Google, just type beatwoven.ai artificial intelligence and click enter. Yeah, this is the home page. Okay, so this is the royalty free application artificial intelligence. Now you can get free music. Okay. So with the use of mode any instruments, so you can create your own music. Okay, just there are four steps. Pick a style, make some cuts, and you can change. Depends upon our mood, we can change the mood, and we can compose it. So simply we can create. Now let's see how to create account in Beethoven Artificial Intelligence. The first step is just click sign up process. Once you click sign up process, so you will get this page like this. There you have to fill some details. For example, profession. So you can choose profession. In this list, if your profession is there, you can click or just click YouTube creator or other. Okay, just I click YouTube creator industry, and I click other and type your industry. If yes, you can type the industry. Otherwise, I can click media. Team size, just I can click 1 to 5 members, and active channel, social media. Okay, actually no need to type here. Okay, just click understand and agree to receive promotional emails, and click get started. So this will take to the your home page. Okay, so the account has been created. Okay, so here you can find a new track plus symbol. So by clicking on this, you can create new projects. There you can create your own music for your YouTube creation or content creation. Right now, first step is just click this create, and it will take to the page. Here, create a new track. Okay, honest track. This is a track title. After that, you can change the name also. Here, for demo purpose, just I enter demo and duration in minutes. Maximum in free version, there is 15 minutes in this artificial intelligence application. Now I can just select 3 minutes video. If you want to insert in seconds, and also you can insert. Okay, simply I can select 3 minutes and tempo. Choose how fast the track should be. Okay, so you can select slow, medium, or fast. So I can select medium and click next, and thereby there are some options. Which regional sound do you want your track to have? So there are some regional sound music. Okay, Indian, for example, let me choose Indian, or let me play first. Okay, so you can check which music do you want. Now I select this pop music. Once you check, you just stop here and you can apply. And what emotion do you want to assign this to this track? Okay, so you can also assign some emotions based on our need. Okay, sad, calm, motivational, happy. So many things are there. For example, let me play motivational. So based on our mood, based on our need, we can select this emotion also. Okay, so this is the main feature in artificial intelligence. Now I can select energetic and click apply. It will take to the next page. Here the composing process is going on, so it will take few seconds. After that, you will get a interface area, so you can edit whatever you want for your music, right? Yes, now we have got it, the interface area. Okay, so in this interface area you can see at the bottom This is a track area. Okay, and you can this by clicking on this you can play the music. Just initially I can click here. This is the track area. Okay, if you play, yes, the track area you can see. And volume. Okay, in the bottom you can find volume. Here you can adjust the volume. Okay, for example, if you want to down the tone or music, you just click here and you can minimize the tone. Okay, here you want to increase the tone, yes, you can increase the volume. Now you can check it here. Just select this play, watch this. Yes, if you listen, so you can have a difference. So at which area you have to down the tone, or you have to raise the tone, so you can choose on your own by selecting this volume option. Okay, and suppose if you want to change any other tracks, and here right side you can find different tracks, alternate tracks are there. Yes. So this indicates that this track has been selected. Okay, so suppose if you want to get any other tracks, you can click here, so you will get some other tracks. Okay, and instruments, here you can click instruments edit. Okay, add or remove instruments from your track, charts, melody, bass, percussion. So based on the instrument you can select. Okay, yes, I can select these three. Okay, now I click apply changes, so it will take to the interface area. Yes, and you can select this option. Okay, so already we have selected this one. And tempo, here also you can select the tempo, slow, medium, high. Yes, so these are the things which we can customize for our own music, right? And you can play this. Suppose if you want to zoom the area, so you can adjust here. Okay, otherwise just keep it like this. Okay, now if you want to cut this music in this area, so you can just simply click. Okay, and you can play, simply click. And here also you can change the mood. Okay, for example, inspirational, I can select that area, so I can select this one and apply. Okay, now the mood has been changed. This is energetic and this is inspirational. Okay, so like that you can select, you can change the mood also. If you have done any changes, you need to click compose track. Okay, so it will take few seconds. So after that the compose track will be playing here, so you can play here. If everything is finished, if you want to download this track, you just click here at the top. Yes, 15 minutes left this month, so for free user, so you can download for 15 minutes per month. Okay, active channel you can name, just demo purpose I click demo. And you can get the type of this audio, so WAV file or MP3. Okay, I just click this file. Yes, now you can get this audio file and you can play. Yes, so similarly you can create on your own audio, and you can download the file and you can use it for your own video creation or e-content creation or YouTube creation. Okay, so definitely this video will be very useful. We will meet in another video with some other artificial intelligence application. Thank you so much.